Hi, my name is Michael. Suffered a lower back injury, and as a result I experienced quite severe sciatic pain down my leg, all the way right to my foot. I couldn't hardly walk. The pain was that bad. They gave me some painkillers. I had, some nerve blockers and this sort of thing. And I don't like taking medication, but there was no choice. I was in bed most of the times. My kids were, they're pretty young, so they were pretty concerned, and so I didn't know if I was really going to be able to work again. And so after hurting my back, I discovered through an MRI and my family doctor that I had a herniated disc in my lower back. I went to see a surgeon, and they recommended, the possibility of surgery, which was pretty scary. The last thing I wanted to do was have a surgery. I looked for an alternative to that, and discovered Back Clinics of Canada. I Googled you, I'd seen the reviews, and you guys had phenomenal reviews. We went through the assessment with Dr. Nussbaum, and he has a great system here. And I thought, okay, I got really nothing to lose here. I really didn't want to have surgery because I just didn't want to do it. I just didn't, because I didn't know what the outcome was going to be, and I didn't know if I was ever going to be able to do normal things in life. Quite honestly, to drive the truck, to go boating with the kids at the cottage, to ride a bike, just to go walk down the street. Just the simple things that you take for granted are just stripped away. After going through the therapy, it's so professional. It's just not a money grab. They treat you like family here, and it worked. I can't say anything other than that. It does work. At the end of therapy, I'm back to normal again, which I really ever didn't think was going to be possible. I didn't believe it was going to be possible because of the amount of pain I was in, but it is possible. And the reason why I'm actually sitting here with Dr. Nussbaum now, because I want people who have a back injury to feel confident to come here. When I came here, I had to get on crutches just to get through the door of the clinic. I could barely make it in on the machine to get actually therapy. The pain diminished. I was actually able to get off all the medication I was on, the painkillers, the nerve blockers. It's quite overwhelming. My wife drove me here. I didn't even drive my own vehicle. To go from that, to crutches, and then from crutches to basically driving myself. And I couldn't even sit up at one point, before even coming here. It's just, I can't say enough good things about back clinics and the procedures they use to treat me with the decompression machines and the laser therapy. Yeah, pretty amazing to not have to have surgery. It was just it was outstanding, quite honestly. My wife and children are very happy to have me back. I can drive my truck again now. I can go out play with the kids. My wife's happy too. Not to have to take care of me, quite honestly, because she had 3 kids to take care of because I was that bad. I couldn't do anything for myself. Right away into maybe the 4th or 5th session, the relief was just incredible. And then, but we did the decompression, we did the laser therapy. From where I was to where I was when I finished, night and day, just almost back to normal, really. From not being able to really walk and do anything with my family to, from where I am now, it's amazing. So, yeah, back to work and pretty much normal. Surgery is kind of off the table at this point. It's quite remarkable, the results. And it's more so for me personally to tell everyone else out there that has a back problem. There's options. You don't have to go under the knife. Dr. Nussbaum went out of his way for me. I barely could get from my truck to the door of the clinic, so amazing, quite amazing to go from barely being able to walk in such severe pain. I cried basically with the pain. It was so bad, to basically having, no pain. The technicians are so precise the way they get you on the machine. They actually measure you to make sure that they're getting the most out of the equipment that they have. They just don't harness you in lie you down and push a button and walk away. They come every 5 minutes to monitor you. It's funny, but it's not funny. They actually, I mean, they put you in such comfort here. You have a TV there with a set of headphones. You can sit and relax. It's almost you're watching TV at home. You hardly even know you're even on a machine getting your therapy. I mean, the laser therapy, you get to lie down. They go above and beyond. Quite honestly, they treat me like family here, which was, like, I can't say enough. It's not like going to the doctor or a hospital where, you know, you're just a number. Here you're taken care of like you should be. To be in so much pain and to suffer so much for so long, and now to be able to do everything normally again without pain, I can't say enough. It was absolutely amazing. I mean, I'm still emotional about it, quite honestly. Yeah, to Dr. Nussbaum and the staff at Back Into Canada. I mean, you guys seen me when I first had come in here. You had to help me from the truck to the door, from the door to the bed. I honestly didn't know sometimes if I was going to be able to get there. To progress from there, to get rid of the crutches, to get off the medication, to walking in here on my own, to driving myself here. In a matter of 5 weeks, I mean, the level of professionalism I received and care I received was I'm still shocked. I'm so happy to have my life back. I really am. I mean, it sounds silly to say that, it really does, but to be in such pain and to not be able to do anything, to be normal again and do the things I want to do without being so hesitant that, oh, I'm gonna hurt myself. I mean, I've got confidence again in my body too, because I didn't even trust my own body to a point. I can't thank you guys enough. I mean, I really can't. I'd tear up a little bit even saying it.